Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. I am your computer teacher, Arpita Nimani. As you all know, we have already done 3 chapters of your textbook. Today, we are moving to chapter number 4, Keyboard. So, all of you, please take out your textbook, page number 38. A keyboard. A keyboard is a device that consists of a number of keys. We can type by pressing keys on the keyboard of a computer. Whatever we type on the keyboard appears on the monitor. It appears on the monitor. Do you all know that a keyboard has 104 keys on it? It has 104 keys on it. Below is given the image of the keyboard. There are many keys on keyboard. Let's study one by one in detail. Number 1, cursor control keys. A cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor that shows the position of the next letter or number to be entered. It is the small blinking line on the monitor. The cursor control keys, also called arrow keys. What are they called? Arrow keys are used for moving the cursor on the monitor. Okay, for moving the cursor on the monitor. Below is given the image of the cursor control keys. The arrows marked on the keys shows the direction in which the cursor moves when those keys are pressed, means in left, right, up and down direction. Next, let's move to backspace key. When pressed, the backspace key erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Means it will erase the thing that is typed on the left side of the cursor. Okay. For example, if you need to correct the spelling of computer, if we have written COMPUTER to COMPUTER, then we have to keep the cursor on the second P which we have typed and then press the backspace key. Okay. Next, let's move to delete key. Delete key when pressed erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. So what is the difference between backspace key and delete key? Backspace key erases the thing typed on the left side of the cursor and delete key erases on the right side of the cursor. Okay. This is the difference between backspace key and delete key. Below shown is the image of the delete key. For example, if we have written any wrong spelling of monitor and we have to correct its spelling, we have to keep the cursor after T to erase Y. Okay, so it will erase the right side of the cursor. Okay. Next, we will study about caps lock key. When the caps lock key is on, all the letters that are typed appear in capitals on the monitor. We have already studied. For writing in capital letters, we have to keep the caps lock key on. For example, if we want to type the word mouse, it will appear as mouse in all capital letters if the caps lock key is on. Okay, and if the caps lock key is off, then all the letters will be seen in small letters. Okay. Next, let's move to num lock key. It is called numerical lock key. If we want to use the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, then num lock key should be on. We all know there are two number keys on keyboard. One is above the alphabet keys and the other is on the right side of the keyboard. So, if we want to use the numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard, then num lock key should be on. Okay? Next, let's move to shift key. Shift key. The shift key is used along with other keys. There are two shift keys on a keyboard and both of them have the same function. Means we have two shift keys on the keyboard. Okay. When we want to type the upper symbol on any of the following keys, we use the shift key. We know that along with numbers above the alphabets, there are other symbols also. If we want to type that symbols, then we press that number key along with the shift key. Okay. Next, tab key. It is present on the left side of the keyboard. It moves the cursor to the right by many spaces. Means when we will press any tab key, then the cursor will move to the right side by many spaces. Okay. ESC key. The ESC key is used to close a menu or a dialog box. If we have closed any menu or dialog box, to close that dialog box, we press ESC key. It is present on the upper left corner of the keyboard. Upper left corner. The first key on the keyboard is ESC key. For example, if we do not want to work with the menu which we are working with, just press the ESC key and the menu will disappear. Like suppose we have opened one page or one menu option and we do not want to use that menu option, we just have to press ESC key. It is located on the leftmost corner of the keyboard. Okay. Now children, as we are done with the chapter, let's start solving the textbook exercise. All of you open page number 43 from your textbook. Question number 1. Complete the crossword given below. A cross, number 1 is, it is the small vertical line on the keyboard. It is called cursor. 3 number, this key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Right side means delete key. Number 6. This key is also used to type in capital letters using the alphabet keys. Which is it? It is shift key. Okay. Down. This key is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. This is the backspace key. Number 4. The number of shift keys present on the keyboard. There are 2 number of shift keys. And number 5. This key is used to cancel a menu or a dialog box. ESC key. Let's move to page number 44. Question number 2. Tina has received a brand new keyboard to go with her computer system. But to get to it, Tina has to collect certain letters in her path, unscramble them to find the name of a key, and write what it is used for. Help Tina in her task by tracing the path for her and collecting the letters in the way. There are different letters given, children. So, it makes the key caps lock key. Okay, we have to join them and make a path for Tina to reach the keyboard, and the key is caps lock key, and it is used to type capital letters. Okay. Question number 3. Use blue color to color the keys used for typing the things that are written in brackets. So we have to use blue color to type that things, and color the keys used for typing 1 to 9 number in yellow. Use the keypad on the right, means we have to use the numeric keypad on the right side. C. Color the key used to erase a letter on the left side of the cursor in green, that is backspace key. Color the key used to erase a letter on the right side of the cursor in orange, delete key in orange color. And use red to color the keys spelling elephant. Elephant spelling letters you have to color in red color. Okay. Let's move ahead. Page number 45. Fill in the blanks. The dash shows the position of the next letter or the number to be entered. It is cursor. B. The group of 4 keys used to move the cursor up, down, right and left are known as dash keys. They are called cursor control keys. C. When the dash key is on, all the letters you type appear in capital. When the caps lock key is on. The dash is a group of number keys on the right hand side of the keyboard. The numeric keypad. E. The dash key is used to type the upper symbol on a key. The shift key. Question number 5. Write T for the true statement and F for the false one. A. The cursor is a vertical line. Yes, it is true. Cursor is a vertical line. B. You cannot move the cursor up and down. False. C. There are 2 cursor control keys. False. Only one cursor control keys is there. D. The backspace key erases anything typed on the right side of the cursor. No, false. It erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor. E. The caps lock keys are present on both sides of the keyboard. No, there is only one caps lock key, so it is false. The shift key is used to type the upper symbol on some keys. True. G. There is only one shift key on the keyboard. False. There are 2 shift keys. Question number 6. Which keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right and left? Color them red. So, we have to color the cursor control keys in red, tab key in blue, caps lock key in green, Numlock key in yellow, shift keys in orange, and the ESC key in purple color. Okay. Next page, question number 7. Name the key used to move the cursor by many spaces. Which key is used? It is tab key. Okay. Question number 8. What will appear on the screen if you press shift key plus the symbol? So when we press anything with shift key, then the number will not be printed. It will show the upper symbol on the number. Okay. B, shift key plus this is the multiplied sign which is there on the number 8. So along with shift key it will show this symbol. Okay. Question number 9. What do we get when we press the shift key and the letter K key while the caps lock key is on? So when we'll press shift key along with letter K, it will only show K. Okay, it will show small k only. Even if caps lock key is on, it will show small k because we are pressing it with shift key. Okay. What is the use of ESC key? Question number 10. ESC key is used to close a menu or a dialog box. It is used to close a menu or a dialog box. Okay. Thank you.